And we have heard that Ketan Bhatikar is joining Congress.
I will not deny that Ketan Bhatikar has met me and he had met yesterday and he is showing intentions of joining the Congress party. आता we have to have काँग्रेसीन एक प्रथा आसा that right from block level to district to PCC. So that proposal I'm going to discuss with my block committee which is there. फाल्यां आमचे संघटन सृजन अभियान program is there in Ponda. Probably maybe day after we'll have a detailed discussion and a proper call will be taken.
But I heard that he might join tomorrow, bro.
कोणे सांगलो
There's some news.
न्यूजाचेर कितें वता तुका हांव सांगता न्ही तुका हांवें सांगलें तुका तो मेळ्ळा वी हॅव डिस्कस सो मे बी tomorrow may probably day after we will have our block committee meeting and we will discuss there and then appropriate call will be taken.
Candidate to आसतलो फोंड्या बाय
सगळ्यो पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रॅटेजी कॅमेरा मुखार I mean in fact when we have met openly with Rajesh Verekar. Everything has been discussed, so whatever the call has to be taken, a proper call will be taken. I think राजेशानूय म्हाका दिसता स्टेटमेंट हांवें खंय तरी तुमच्याच माध्यमांतल्यान पळयला. सो we want to defeat the BJP in Ponda. That is the whole aim. I think full people of Goa are seeing this as a result which will set the benchmark for 2027 assembly election.
So Ketan Bhatikar coming and joining y'all can defeat BJP.
No. See, all forces, all individuals, not only Ketan, there are other people also who have come and met me, who have shown inclination of supporting Congress this time in Ponda to defeat BJP. So all these people have been meeting and we are defeating the BJP there this time. That is for sure.
Ketan Bhatikar ticket दितले हाजे डिस्कशन काय जावन तो जॉइन
कित्याक स्पेक्युलेशन करतो सांगले मरे तुका की तो मेळा आणि प्रॉपर देर इज अ प्रोसेस नो सो वील फॉलो दॅट. थँक्यू.